Hi, Melinda. This is Michelle Panawazik, a fellow student in the Instructional Design Portfolio class, and I'm here to give you feedback on your online portfolio. It's fantastic. I absolutely love it. It's so fun to see how all of our portfolios are different and reflect who we are. I love your homepage, and by the way, I'm going to take you through each page one at a time to share what feedback I have. This introduction teaches me who you are right off the get-go. I love it. My favorite thing is the bright smiling picture. I'm excited about your video. I think that's a great idea, very engaging, and I like that it's a different medium than just text straight through. The resume is exhaustive and very clean and neat. I was wondering if you are able to format it with bullet points. I did get a little lost in the, I'm going to say, amount of words. If there's any way to make it more concise or at least use bullet points to make it a little bit easier to follow, I wanted to offer that suggestion. And then a career counselor once told me to have the same number of bullet points per job, if you will, throughout the resume. I don't know if that really matters or not, but I wanted to suggest that as well. Okay, on to the approach. Very nicely designed, really inviting. That's one thing I see throughout. It's inviting. I'm intrigued. This is not overwhelming. It's wonderful. Two suggestions, take it or leave it. Using the, I wish I knew the grammatical term, like not using ing, just saying create, ensure, provide, nurture. Minor tweak that might make it more powerful and potent. And I love how you used the bold throughout. I was wondering if you wanted to bold meaningful and measurable in that paragraph and meaningful and measurable in this paragraph. That may not be what you're trying to achieve. So again, please disregard if it doesn't make sense. Just wanted to offer that suggestion. And I love your unique take on your design philosophy. Onto the projects. I'm really into the flow of the projects. I like how you have the background in each of the projects. It's just visually appealing. What I was thrown off by was your headings within the description of your projects were not consistent. Here you say why SBL, and up here you have design process. Again, take it or leave it. I might just be someone who likes consistency. I followed the rules, the rubric to a T, where I had my projects, my role, my technology used in the description. So if you want to consider how you might make this more consistent throughout, one tip, I will really much appreciate your references. I'm huge with references. And then would you be interested in actually having a link to a live project? I was missing that, of being able to explore the project in its full technology aspect of it, of having the link to see the full project. Your contact page worked. I tested your LinkedIn link and I did ask for a connection there. And in summary, I'll take us back to the homepage. I was wondering what your purpose of your online portfolio is. So food for thought, how will your online portfolio serve you? One thing that I didn't get from this is where you wanted this to take you. And maybe that's not your intention, so that's great. But something to think about is how you wanted this to serve you, and maybe having some kind of statement, or I guess I don't really know what else to say because I'm not really sure what your purpose of it is, unless it's just to say, look at me, I am a professional. But I'm showing that you have your credentials and this video is going to be fantastic. And then you have your project. So do you want to be an instructional designer? Or how do you want the world to view you with all of your amazing experience and everything that you can do? So if that's helpful, wonderful. If it's not, disregard it. You're amazing. I'm so glad to get to see your portfolio, and I hope we can stay connected. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, night, evening, all of the things. Bye.